welcome back to my channel, Damos Family. Let me just show you guys about what I have here. Yeah, for now. And these flowers, yeah, look at that. I thought it's died already because this is from last year. Yeah. And look at this. Yeah, I hung it on the top. Yeah, I had two of that. I put it there. Yeah. And look at my ano ba yan? I forgot the name. Yeah, I just put it there also. I hang it there. Yeah, before they have a flower. Yeah, but it's gonna. And about my aloe vera, guys, look at it. They give me a baby. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. I thought my aloe vera is a male, but they give me a baby, so it's a female aloe vera. Did you see that? It's very fat. My fatty aloe vera. Yeah, did you see that?
Bruh.
Yeah, they're fat. Yeah. And this one, they don't have flower yet. I don't know. But yeah, they grow very fast. And look at this one also is very fat after I transplant it to the big pot. Yeah. And this is my alugbati, guys. Spinach. My other one here. Yeah, look at that. I put it together there. Here they are, guys. My okra, guys. Yeah, look at that. They're big now. They almost give me a fruit. Oh, my okra. Did you see that? But I don't know who eat my plants. Did you see that? Yeah. This is the update about what I planted before, guys. Yeah, that's my okra. Yeah, they're big now. And there's still spinach. And this okra. Yeah. And those are bell pepper. Yeah. And my long beans. Look at my long beans. Yeah. Look at that. And that's my potato. Yeah.
Yeah.
My potato. And this is my tabius, guys, in Bisaya. I don't know in Tagalog. Did you see that? Yeah, that's my tabius. And this is my plant. Yeah. I'm going to put a water. Yeah, let me just do a quick video. Yeah, just a quick video, guys. Yeah, this is my garden. Yeah, that's my soil over there. I'm still doing my gardening. I'm not done yet. Yeah. Yeah, let me bring you guys to the other side because their place, guys, we have a big backyard, guys. Yeah, so let me bring you to the other side. Look at my moringa, it's very fat. Yeah, and look at that one is very tall.
Ginagawa mo.
See? And my papaya, they give me a lot of fruits every day. Yeah, every day. Yeah. And look at my avocado. I just planted this, I think 3 days ago. Yeah. And my sugar cane is getting old. Like me. And this is the other side of my house, guys, my backyard. Yeah, and this is my tanglad. You know what is tanglad, guys? This is Ewan ko, hindi ko na matandaan. Basta ayos lang nagpa-vlog. And this is my, look at that, parang mamamatay na ata itong tanim ko. It's avocado also, guys. And the one is my langka. Yeah. See, may langka. Yeah, it's big one now. Jackfruit. Yeah. And look at my, it's dying. My kalabasa. Yeah. So this is the other side of our backyard. Yeah. And outside is our pool. Yeah, the pool is over there. Yeah. May lamisa doon. Masarap sana mag-live dyan, pero hindi ko alam kung ano, the internet. Because we have a bad internet here sometimes. Yeah. So did you see that? It's very big. My papaya is a big one. And then papaya, the papaya is not tall, but the fruits is very big. See that? So my oranges, yeah, they have fruits also. Ha, hangak. Yeah. So yun lang. Yeah. Doon yung mga gamit natin dyan sa pagtatanim. Yeah. And look at that. I think they need fertilizer. Look at that, guys. They are not fat. I don't know why. And the insects starting eating my plants. Yeah. So
Five minutes later.
look at our front yard. Guys, the front. It was beautiful. Over there. Hindi siya mataba. Yeah. It's not fat. And over there also. Yeah. It's fat. And this one is not bad. Even that one to the side also. Sa amin pa rin yan diyan, guys. Oh, malaki yung ano namin. Yeah. Just put the water there. See that? Yes. Just put the water. Yeah. Did you see that? Dipay-dipay dyan. Yun naman iba ang kulay niya. This is my favorite. Diyan na lang nakasabit, guys. Wala nang magsabitan. Ang doon wala nang mamatay na. Hindi ko ninaalagaan. No? Thank you always for watching. This is only a quick tour about my gardens. Yeah. See you next time, guys. Babu. Don't forget to subscribe. The Amao's family. Yeah.